your English online classes. So what are we going to study? Word meaning. Yes, word meanings. We are going to study word meanings, new words, new meanings and new sentences. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, take out your notebook, textbook, wear your headphones and get ready for today's class. Students, let's begin. So for today we have 8 words. So let's see what are those 8 words, and they are as follows: army, avoid, bald, beak, behind, below, borrow and brave. So these are going to be the 8 words which we are going to study. So let's deal with the first word, that is army. Army meaning group of soldiers. Group of soldiers. Soldiers यानी कि सिपाही. सिपाहियों की एक ग्रुप को, समूह को हम क्या कहते हैं? आर्मी. एक ग्रुप सिपाहियों का, सोल्जर्स के ग्रुप को व्हाट वी से? आर्मी. सो आर्मी मीनिंग ग्रुप ऑफ सोल्जर्स. एंड द सिंपल सेंटेंस फॉर दैट इज आई वांट टू जॉइन आर्मी. I want to join army. So what does that mean? I want to join the group of soldiers, right? So the sentence is I want to join army. Okay. Coming to the next sentence, next word, that is avoid. Avoid meaning keep away. दूर रखना, किसी चीज से दूरी बनाकर रखना, दूर रहना. So keep away, दूर रखना किसी भी चीज को. So avoid meaning keep away. Avoid, keep away. And a simple sentence for that: you should avoid eating junk food. You should avoid, दूरी बना के रखना है किससे? Avoid eating junk food. Okay. Coming to the next word, the third word, bald. Bald, having no hair on head. Having no hair on head. No hair on head. सिर पे बिल्कुल भी अगर बाल नहीं होते हैं तो हम उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? बाल्ड. सिंपल से कहूँ तो टकलों को हम बाल्ड कहते हैं इंग्लिश में. ओके. सो बाल्ड मीनिंग हैविंग नो हेयर ऑन हेड. हैविंग नो हेयर ऑन हेड. एंड अ सिंपल सेंटेंस: the new movie is about a bald man. The new movie is about a bald man. Coming to the next word, that is beak. Beak meaning mouth of a bird. Mouth of a bird. Mouth of a bird. चिड़ियों की मुंह को, यानी कि चिड़ियों का क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? व्हाट डज बर्ड्स हैव? दे हैव एक चोंच होती है उनकी. उनके हमारे जैसे तो माउथ नहीं होते. दे डोंट हैव माउथ लाइक अस, राइट? दे हैव अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ माउथ. सो देयर माउथ वी कॉल इट एज beak. B-E-A-K, beak. So beak meaning mouth of a bird. Mouth of a bird. The चोंच, what we say in Hindi, चोंच. Okay. So beak meaning mouth of a bird. And a simple sentence for that is parrot's beak is red in color. Parrot's beak is red in color. Parrot की चोंच, तोते की चोंच कौन सी कलर की होती है स्टूडेंट्स? रेड कलर, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई वी सेइंग parrot's beak is red in color. Okay. Now the next word, that is behind. Behind, at the back of. At the back of, किसी के पीछे, जो हम उसे क्या कहते हैं? Behind. For example, behind. A wall is behind me. A wall is there behind me. मेरे पीछे क्या है? एक दीवार है. So I'm saying a wall is behind me. So a sentence I'm giving here is a ghost was standing behind the tree. A ghost was standing behind the tree. Ghost यानी कि स्टूडेंट्स भूत. Okay. So a ghost was standing behind the tree. Behind what? Behind the tree. Tree के पीछे. So the sentence is that, so I have given a ghost was standing behind the tree. Now coming to the next word, that is below. Below meaning under. Under, किसी भी चीज के नीचे. Under. Under. Under my hand. So below meaning under. And the sentence I have given: we enjoyed our picnic below a banyan tree. We enjoyed our picnic below a banyan tree. Meaning एक banyan tree के नीचे हम लोगों ने अपना पिकनिक एंजॉय किया. Below a banyan tree. Tree below that. Okay. So below meaning under, and the sentence I have given: we enjoyed a picnic below a banyan tree. Now the second last word, that is borrow. Borrow meaning take from someone. Borrow meaning take from someone. And the sentence I have given: you can borrow a pencil from your friend. You can borrow pencil from your friend. Borrow, take from someone, किसी से लेना. Take from someone, किसी से भी आप कुछ चीज लेते हो या मांगते हो. So what we call it is borrow. लेने, जब किसी को चीज लिया जाता है, so we say it as borrow, meaning take from someone. And the sentence that's why I have made, you can borrow pencil from your friend. That means you can take pencil from your friend. And the last word for today's class, and that is brave. Brave meaning fearless. Fearless. Brave meaning fearless. Fear meaning डरना. Fearless मतलब डर नहीं डरना, बेडर, जो निडर होते हैं ना, जिनको किसी चीज की डर नहीं होता, we call them as fearless. And the word, proper word for that is brave. बहादुर, जिनको किसी की डर नहीं, किसी का डर नहीं होता हुआ. Fearless, we call them as brave. And a simple sentence I have made that is Rahul is a brave boy. Rahul is a brave boy. So my dear students, with this we complete 8 words of our today's class. So let's recall the words with their meanings. And they are army, meaning group of soldiers. Avoid, keep away. Bald, having no hair on head. Beak, mouth of a bird. Then comes behind, at the back of. Below, under. Then borrow, take from someone. Take from someone. The last is brave, meaning fearless. Students, I hope you completely understood the words with their meanings and also their sentences. So don't forget to make your own sentences using the words. जो गैप मैं उसमें छोड़ रही हूँ फॉर्मेट में, उसमें आपको खुद से सेंटेंसेस बना के लिखने हैं. मेरा सेंटेंस दोबारा लिख के कॉपी नहीं करना है वहाँ पे, है ना. What you have to do, उस वर्ड को यूज करके you have to make your own sentence. Then only you will learn how to make sentences and how to use the words in sentences. Okay, my dear students, I hope you will complete this task of yours, and in English teacher will be back again in the next class with some new words and their meanings and sentences. Till then, my dear students, take care. Goodbye.